Want your truck bed protected, secure, and stylish, all at the same time? Meet the Roll and Lock Cover, a premium solution for protecting your truck bed with style and strength. This retractable cover rolls smoothly into a compact canister, giving you instant access to your cargo whenever you need it. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, it keeps your gear safe from theft, rain, and dust. The locking system adds extra security, while the low-profile design enhances your truck's clean, professional look. Easy to operate and made for daily use, Roll and Lock combines convenience, protection, and performance, making it a smart upgrade for any serious truck owner. The most dangerous place around your truck is the part you can't see. This gadget fixes that instantly. Introducing the Blind Spot Monitoring System, a smart safety upgrade every truck driver should have. This system constantly scans the hidden areas around your truck and alerts you the moment another vehicle enters your blind zone. With real-time sensors, visual warnings, and audible alerts, it helps prevent lane change accidents before they happen. Whether you're driving on busy highways or tight city roads, this gadget adds an extra layer of confidence and control. Reliable in all weather conditions and designed for heavy-duty use, blind spot monitoring doesn't just assist your driving, it actively protects lives. Drive smarter, safer, and more confidently on every trip.
Paper logbooks are history. This smart device does everything automatically. Introducing the Electronic Log Device, or ELD, a must-have technology for modern trucking. This smart system automatically records driving hours, engine data, and vehicle activity with total accuracy. No manual entries, no mistakes, and no stress during inspections. It helps drivers stay compliant, avoid violations, and manage hours efficiently. With a clear digital interface and real-time syncing, fleet managers and drivers can track performance instantly. Built for reliability and ease of use, the ELD saves time, improves safety, and keeps operations running smoothly. If you want smarter compliance and better control on the road, this gadget is absolutely essential.
What if your truck could see clearly, even in total darkness? This gadget does exactly that, and it might save your life. Meet the Dash Cam with Night Vision, a must-have smart gadget for every modern truck. Designed for day and night protection, this camera captures crystal-clear footage even in low light and pitch-dark conditions. With advanced infrared sensors and wide-angle recording, it monitors the road 24/7, helping you stay safe, alert, and confident on every journey. It automatically records accidents, sudden braking, and unexpected moments, giving you solid evidence when it matters most. Easy to install, reliable in all weather, and built for long hauls, this dash cam is not just a camera, it's your extra set of eyes on the road.
Tired of lifting heavy cargo the hard way? This gadget makes loading feel effortless. Introducing Rack and Roll, a smart loading solution designed to save time, effort, and your back. This system helps you slide, roll, and organize cargo smoothly, making loading and unloading faster and safer. Built with heavy-duty materials, Rack and Roll handles tough work while keeping everything secure and balanced. Whether you're moving tools, equipment, or heavy supplies, this gadget reduces strain and boosts efficiency. It's easy to use, reliable in daily operations, and perfect for trucks that work hard every day.
What if your truck could tell you exactly where every drop of fuel goes? This gadget does that. Meet the Digital Fuel Monitoring Sensor, a powerful tool designed to give truck owners full control over fuel usage. This smart sensor tracks real-time fuel levels, consumption, and sudden fuel loss with high accuracy. It helps prevent fuel theft, reduces wastage, and improves overall efficiency. All data is displayed clearly on a digital dashboard or mobile system, making monitoring simple and reliable. Built for heavy-duty conditions, this gadget works perfectly on long routes and tough environments. If you want better mileage, lower costs, and complete transparency in fuel management, this sensor isn't optional, it's essential.
Low tire pressure on the road? This small gadget can save your entire trip. Meet the portable air compressor, a powerful and reliable tool every truck driver should carry. Compact in size but strong in performance, this gadget quickly inflates truck tires anytime, anywhere, no workshop needed. With a digital pressure display and automatic shutoff, it ensures accurate inflation and prevents overfilling. Built for tough conditions, it's perfect for long hauls, emergencies, and daily checks. Just plug it in, set the pressure, and let it do the work. Whether you're on the highway or at a remote stop, this portable air compressor gives you confidence, safety, and total control over your tires. No wires, no blind spots, just full control and clear vision around your truck. Introducing the Wireless Truck Camera System, a smart upgrade built for safety, visibility, and convenience. This system delivers real-time HD video from multiple angles without complicated wiring, making installation fast and hassle-free. Whether reversing, changing lanes, or parking in tight spaces, you get a clear, stable view directly on your display. Designed for heavy-duty trucking, it works reliably in rain, dust, and low light conditions. With strong wireless signals and wide-angle cameras, this gadget helps reduce accidents and driver stress. If you want smarter maneuvering and total awareness on the road, this wireless camera system is a true game changer.